Hello guys, I have this iPhone XR. Let's say I want just to check the IMEI number on this phone, but I don't want to go to settings. I don't want to check the tree because it might have been changed, disabled from dark market, black market, and then sometimes it's refurb, sometimes the IMEI number is not on the tree, or it's a different one. So I just want to verify the correct one that's on this phone. So I'm just gonna switch off this phone, and then I'll get a USB cable, lightning, and then just hold these two buttons, volume up and down together, and then connect the USB cable. That will put the phone into diagnostics mode. Then you can see serial number and the IMEI number. Let's just do it now. I'm gonna hold this too. Yeah, once you see the Apple logo, we can release. Yep, we are here, diagnostics mode, successfully here. So if you want to see IMEI number or the serial number, you click on this one, info, see, and then this is your diagnostics mode. So that's how you verify. Easy. These tricks work on all iPhones, from iPhone 5s to 15 Pro Max. So if you love this, just subscribe and leave a comment. I will show you more how to check if the iCloud locked or SIM locked, all the info of the phone. I will show you the website.